13th, 2019.
It's good thing that we're headed to southbound. Look at that, traffic after traffic. Bumper to bumper.
Wasn't that far back this morning? Mercedes van or two. Well, it's at least 2 mile back up.
2 mile back up.
Maybe more.
It's more because it still started when we're in way back far in Walmart.
We're Hanover Street this morning. And this goes from here on, it's probably another 4 miles till they get up past the road construction site. Sounds like Anisha has some sound effects.
What you gonna go to the old country buffet when it's already too late? Look at that!
Wow. This is backed up all the way to Newville. This is something. This is something. Still backed up. And we're halfway to Newville.